What is up, guys? My name is Killynn, and right here we got a WOOJER strap. For you guys that don't know what this is a strap that you strap on yourself, and it feels like you're sitting next to basically a massive sub. You're feeling the vibrations. That's two major points. So you got one right here, one right here. I'm letting you know this is not I just like unboxing stuff. Let's open it, man. Let's open it. You got your quick instructions, and it goes straight away. Here is the strap. See, the strap has two major points right here and right here on the back. You pull this little, apparently there's a little tab right here. Oh, there's even more. There's a full manual for you. Tells on what to do. You got your aux cord and your charging cord that comes with it to charge the thing. Go one step further and you got a convenient little carrying case. And it all fits in there. Gee, that's small. That's convenient. To mention, this has Bluetooth. This thing has Bluetooth too. So you don't have to have all these cords dangling from it. You got your three main plugins. You got your headphones, you got your charging port, and there is another There is another headphones port for either male or female plug-in. We got a big power button in the center of it. Oh, that was a strong vibration. That was a very strong vibration when you turned it on. It's all lit up. So let's put this thing on. This is what this thing looks like on. This is what it looks like when it's on me. We're gonna get some headphones. Plug it in to the bottom. And we're gonna try out the Bluetooth first. Go into Bluetooth. We're gonna go all the way down. Connect to WOOJER. Oh, it made a noise when I was connected. So we're connected right now. Whoa! What the? What the? Oh, this is so weird. It's like vibrating. Okay, I'm gonna switch it over to the aux. See if it's any different. See if it's different. Okay. That is just weird. Nah, that's weird. We're gonna try it without the jacket. The WOOJER. As you just saw, I tried it with the game, I tried it with music, and it's not the thing for me. It feels like there's a speaker right here and right here, and that's it. It doesn't feel like you're sitting right in front of a speaker or sub. It just feels like one vibrating, one another vibrating. So if you got two vibrating things, you put them right here and sync them to that, and pretty much be this. And this was retail 160 for two vibrating pieces and a light up piece. But this is not for me. 100% not for me. I mean, some people might really love it. There's been a lot of great reviews on these other hand, but this is just not meant for me. But it does have a nice clip. It has a nice adjustable strap. You can adjust it. You have it around your hips. You have it like a satchel. Have it up on your ribs. You got 2 arrows to the more intensity you want of the vibrating, and then the plus sign and minus sign for volume. And you hold the middle button down, the power button, turn it off, turn it on. But yeah, there's labels on the back on what jacks there is, and it has another one on the back. It has this wire sticking out too for adjustability, so you can actually move this pack wherever you want on your back. And yeah, has a nice clip, easy to put on. So you can put this on. It doesn't matter if you have a jacket or not, it's the same feeling you get. It all fits in this case, and yeah. So maybe you guys would like it if maybe like a horror game or something, or like big explosions. I tried Far Cry 4 and it had grenades and gun shooting. You felt the vibrations, but it didn't feel like you're actually feeling the vibrations, if you know what I mean, because you only felt it from 2 different points. So I don't think this is for everybody, but it is for some people if they want to have an experience like this. But I definitely try it out to see if you actually like it. But it personally, it's not for me. But I would say I'd give it like 3 out of 5. I might want to try the vest. They also have a full vest you actually put on instead of just one strap. So I might try that one, because that one looks really promising for it. So I'm gonna try that. I might try that one. So for this review, I'm not too satisfied, but other people might be satisfied about this product. And saying again, this is not a paid. I'm not getting paid for this. When I was wearing it, I felt like I was having to move it around a lot when it was in a satchel. And then right here, it would vibrate so much, it would start falling down to my hips. So when I did have it like right here, it started coming up. So like the back one wasn't touching, or like either the back one or the front one or back is touching. So I would probably have maybe a 3-point, so it comes over the top like a Y, and have one right here, or like one that comes around and then one goes over, and then have one in behind, and then I'd have 2 on the sides and then one right here. That's what I would do. Thank you guys for watching. Tell me what you thought about this down in the comments. And thanks for everything. Tell me what you thought about this, what you think, and if you should try it out or not. But yeah. Thank you for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, and I'll leave a link down there to buy it if you want to try it out. So I might try the vest out. They do have a vest, so I might try that out instead of the two straps. So the vest I might try out. So hope you guys enjoyed. Think positive, be happy, and later.